Hello everyone. Today I will go through the process of making Tic Tac Toe using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. I would recommend this project to beginners because it's very beginner friendly. So first, I'm going to show you the game and then I'm going to go through the code. Here's the game. We got a nice background, a nice title, and a nice play again button. So if you click on this button, it's going to reload the site. But first, I gotta make some moves. I'm gonna pick here, and the computer picks in the middle. So if I pick anywhere but the middle, the computer is automatically going to pick in the middle. So if I pick right here, it picks in the middle. But if I pick right here, it also picks in the middle. Like it's same for all, but not the middle like this. See, wherever I pick except for the middle, it's going to be in the middle. Alright, what if I put in the middle? If I put in the middle, the computer picks anywhere but not the middle. So it could pick here, 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 or here. So that's the game. And now I'm going to go through the code. To make this project, I used Visual Studio Code. If you want, you can use any other text editor that you know, or just use an online text editor. So in the code, first I'm going to go through HTML, then I'm going to go through the CSS, and finally JavaScript. In the HTML, basically we have the body, some divs, and a heading, and a table. So each table, like this, each TD inside the table represents each box, like these boxes. And here's the play again button and the win or lose message. So that's it for the HTML. There's nothing much in it. Next is CSS. So in this game, I styled HTML, body, headings, buttons, um, IDs, and classes, and the images. And I used background color, border radius, height, width, font size, font family, text align, vertical align, yeah, and many more. So that's all the CSS. And last but not least, we have the JavaScript. So on the top, we have some global variables, all box, filled box, user occupied, and system occupied. And then we have our first function, which is image click. So this function, um, lets you click on the image, and after you clicked on the image, it tells the computer to pick a choice. So that's image click. Next, from line 36 to line 82, in the image click function, we have the computer's choice, what the computer is going to pick next. And our second function here, DT last block, it basically tries to block you from depending on your last move. So for example, so if this was my last move, if I click on this, it's going to block here because I might win. And if I click here, I didn't click here, the computer won and I lose. So that's what the function DT last block does. It basically um, blocks the user depending from his last move. And then we have the next function is try to win. So this function, it's not that complicated. It's just telling the computer what to do to win the game. So it's basically all the winning combinations. Then we have a function did I win? It checks if the computer won. If it did won, it's going to show me that I lose. Like this. Um, I'm gonna pick here. Like this. It's gonna show me this for did I win. So that's did I win. Next, we have disable remaining boxes. So this function basically, when the game is over, it disables all the boxes. Like now, I'm gonna end this game quick. The game is over. I lose, and I can't click on any other boxes. So that's what disable remaining boxes do. Actually, it's RMN, which stands for remaining. And then last function but not least, we have update available box. So this function basically tells the computer to not pick its last move or to pick where the user picked. So for example, if I pick here and the computer picks here, the code tells the computer to not to pick where I picked, which is here and here. So like if I make my next move here, it's not going to pick here, here, or here. It's going to pick here. So just to recap, this function update available box basically tells the computer not to pick where it already picked and not to pick where the user picked. So that's what it does, function update available box. So that is it. That's the video. Um, thank you guys so much for watching and see you on the next video. Bye.